How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can print a PNG logo with Creality Print. So the first thing that you want to do before we can import our logo is to head over to a web page and just search for the PNG to SVG on Google. From here, you can head over to any website that basically does the job, and then you want to convert your PNG to an SVG file because the SVG is compatible with Creality. Basically, after converting, you can just click on the Add option on the top of your screen. From here, it's as simple as heading over to the file location of your logo. So in my case, it's going to be this logo.svg. Once again, you can only do this if your file is SVG. So make sure to convert your PNG to SVG first. Click on open, and then we will be able to see our print right here. Of course, you can customize this to whatever you want to. Maybe you want to customize the filament colors and more. And so basically my logo right here has multiple parts. So let's say that we want to change the color of this specific part right here. You will be able to do that, but generally our logo is on the corner of the screen, so you will be able to see the example of our logo, but generally it will then look something like this. Once again, you want to edit this the way you want to, so there's a remnant of our logo right here, but that's basically it. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.